Good afternoon, class. My name is Christopher Tellez, and the title of my speech is Engineers for a Sustainable World. A mentorship program is what I'm aiming for. So, did you know how difficult it is for college students to acquire mentorship program partners with professional engineers? It's really difficult because it's when it comes down to joining engineering or being part of that world. It's not given to whoever, it's very, they're very selective, you got to take a lot of courses, a lot of training. But I'm not saying it's impossible, right? Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. So I'll be talking about the organization. We go by ESW, that's their abbreviated form, Engineering for a Sustainable World. I know this will interest you because we are all, I'm not sure, in the same profession involving the organization in terms of being around with experts, and coming around with the same mission to provide leadership and an idea, right? A solution, because at the end of the day, it's a solution that we have to solve as a company, right? Want to come together and see how our ideas can be put on in the table and we can address them in a quickly and efficient way. So I propose that we should support ESW by participating in the ESW mentorship program onto their website, www.eswglobal.org/mentoring. One specific way to join the mentor program, which will offer you the skills to gain valuable technical knowledge from experienced engineers. That's the only way how you can actually gain access to engineers that are in the field exercising their license. Today, I will be talking about engineering for a sustainable world, ESW, and ESW mentor program. I ask you that by joining the Engineering for a Sustainable World mentorship program, it will improve your technical knowledge and knowing overall what it is to do and how you can maneuver from there, from left to right. It could be within like mechanical, manufacturing or civil. There's so many ways, that you can go at it. So the ESW Mentor Program partners with college students with professional engineers to support and guide the next generation of sustainability innovations. So anything involving with change or anything that you see in a company that needs to be done, they're there, engineers are there. Very common to have in a company. I propose something, for example, I know sometimes a lot of people say that engineering is something that involves a lot of training, but that shouldn't discourage you from taking engineering as well, even though it is quite a long career. I believe it's like 4 years, right? 4 to 6 years. So it's still definitive, So we must support the ESW to be part of the change. There is a mentorship program that can guide you to gain the skills you need to excel. So I want to show something a point that I have here. According to January 11, 2016, there's an article, it's quite some time, right, from now, an article by Brittany Bennett called Build Day Buffalo. Basically, an idea, right, about a solar project that helped people in society save money by creating like solar panels. So it helped people, in society. So engineering is really needed in society, as you can see. We must support ESW to make humanity lives impactful by creating ideas for the better to the mankind. So according to Engineering for Change, another website, right, by Erica Schoenberg called the latest SDG report. They also talk about change, right? So in regards to solar panels, change is very crucial. So I think that solar panels is important and it does save the planet a lot. So in regards to solar panels, I think that's a great idea that we should keep having those type of ideas innovated into society. The latest SDG report cannot say what needs to be said. Engineeringforchange.org. A lot of people may say that, yes, they're scared for a change because change is scary, right? They don't want to change. They want to keep everything the same. They don't want to have anything else. But that's when it comes down to engineering. Engineering is there to prove that, hey, we do need to change. We do need to have this arranged here. We do need to strive for change because in the future, we don't know what's going to happen. I mean, everything changes, and I'm pretty sure if you heard, like, the Earth's gravitational pull is changing. So the world keeps rotating faster and faster. So yeah, definitely we need engineers to make sure that how we can sustain differences to global warming, climate change. Solar panels is like one of those ways that it shows that engineers are capable of doing that and more. So today I would like to close this out by saying thank you. Is there anything else that you would like for me to say or have any questions regarding to this meeting?
I do. I have a quick question.
Yes. No.
You mentioned about the mentoring. Is it specifically the mentoring like specifically about the paneling and how to like build it and like how does the mentoring work?
Yes. So the mentoring works basically they teach you the fundamentals on the basics of what an engineer should know, basically in regards to the technicality of things, on how problems are occasionally arise, excuse me, on how they arise and how you should approach it. Because definitely there's problems every day, as you can see everywhere, right? You're driving and let's say, for example, your wheel pops on your car, right? And you're like, oh shoot, what should I do? You're like, you know what? Actually, let me call somebody and they'll come and fix it for me. Or you know what? I have something here in the car that I can fix it myself and just parch it up, right? So that's what pretty much engineers do. They parch up any problems that come into life. And this organization, what they really focus on is on showing you the technicality skills, the basics with math, science, technology, and what else, right? Math, science, STEM, right? Science, technology. I'm trying to name the last one. There you go. Science, technology,
Science, technology, engineering, and math.
engineering. There you
Yeah.
go. Correct. Yes.
Awesome. That's so cool. I'm
Yeah.
very interested. I'll definitely have to check that out because I've, trying to learn and become an engineer myself. So that sounds awesome to, be a part of a mentoring and get that extra help.
Definitely, because I think we all need that extra push. Sometimes we think we're perfect, but we're not. We need somebody else to actually tell us,
Yeah,
this
so
is
right.
what it is, the right way, and
Hmm.
and take that as a constructive criticism. Yeah. I'm actually interested in mechanical engineering. That's the route that I'm heading for. What about yourself?
I'm going for computer science, so I want to be a software engineer.
Oh,
So
nice.
I definitely understand like what you're talking about, like basically like an algorithm. We need to be able to do things step by step and make sure that things are going the right way and not we're not, doing extra things. We're trying to, yeah, what's the word, like optimize things and make things quicker and more
Right, right.
efficient.
Correct.
So the paneling and all that, it's definitely ever since it's, become a thing, it's even getting bigger. I see people setting it up all the time on their houses and I'm like, that's awesome. Like they're, saving the planet
Definitely,
and money too.
and exactly, and money too,
Yeah.
right? Like while at
Mhm.
it,
That's
but yeah,
awesome. Thank you so much for all
no,
of
no problem. And your name again?
Nicole.
Nicole. Nice to meet you,
Mhm.
Nicole, and hope you have a good weekend, a
You
holiday weekend,
too.
right? And take
Yeah.
care.
Thank you so much. Can you please send me the link to this?
Of course, I'll send you the link afterwards.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay, no problem. You too. Bye.